Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 2023, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings. Now click on More Connections and select Printing. Following that, you can click on Default Print Service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on this green switcher and click on the back button. Then tap on Add Service and install the best one for you. In my case, HP one. When your new service is ready, click on the back button twice. Lastly, just click on your service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!